Still family owned, still family run.
And since 1957, one thing never changed.
Taking care of our customers.
Maybe that's why Enterprise is ranked highest in rental car customer satisfaction by J.D. Power Associates for 7 years in a row. It feels like a family company because it is. I'm going to show you what that means.
We'll pick you up.
So you gonna have me clean up my cooch crew?
Yeah. You know what ship took off from Morehead City?
Ronnie told me. 22nd Mew?
Going to, where is it going? Libya? Yeah.
The Ivory Coast?
I didn't know that they did that. That boarded from there.
Yeah, there's one port over there. How about that?
It takes a lot to be the man.
But see, the Marines have already been to Libya.
Oh yeah, we've been to Tripoli and all the good stuff back in the day.
Back in the day, or
Back in the day.
In the halls of Montezuma and the shores of Tripoli.
yeah.
From the North Carolina Education Lottery. That's enough to make anyone say, woo!
Do it. Do it, Mom. Do it, Mom.
Where's Emily?
Do it loud.
I'm going to throw this. Now, this thing is heavy. And when it hits you in between the eyes, it's going to knock
Excuse
you
me?
through loose.
What? Wait a minute. What? Huh? What's that?
Good.
What's that, honey?
Do your Emily thing.
No, my woohoo?
Yeah, do your Emily thing.
Do you want me to do it real loud?
Do your Emily thing.
Really?
Just do it.
Woohoo! Oh. Woohoo!
Look at the tray.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
That's 4 or 5 tries.
Hey Mom, I've been recording you the whole time. I've been
No,
recording you.
you ain't.
Yes, I have.
You did not.